And once you understand this mindset, your setups become smoother, your confidence increases, and your machining instantly looks more professional. The biggest beginner mistake. When beginners set 0, they focus on only one thing: don't make a mistake. That fear slows everything down. So they move the hand wheel too carefully, recheck every axis, forget which offset they changed, and sometimes even set the wrong work coordinate. Then comes disaster: broken tool, wrong dimensions, scrap material, angry supervisor, lost confidence. Pros don't avoid mistakes by moving slower. They avoid mistakes by following a repeatable system. That's the difference. The real secret: pros trust their routine. Professional machinists don't magically become accurate. They simply repeat the same setup sequence every single time. No guessing. No random movements. No unnecessary steps. Their brain already knows: machine home position, tool length offset, work offset, reference surface, verification move. That sequence becomes muscle memory. And that's why it looks effortless. Step 1. Always start from machine home. The first thing pros do is reference the machine correctly. Because if the machine doesn't know where home is, nothing else matters. A beginner may rush directly to the part. A pro first confirms: machine reference return, correct active offset, correct tool number, spindle clearance. This takes only seconds, but prevents massive crashes later. Slow is smooth. Smooth becomes fast. Step 2. Use a consistent touch point. This is where the 10-second method begins. Professionals never randomly choose where to touch the tool. They always use top surface, vice jaw, gauge block, edge finder, or preset reference. Why? Because consistency removes thinking. The less decisions you make, the faster you become. For example, a pro may always touch the fixed jaw for X0 and top surface for Z0. Every setup. Every job. Every day. That. Many experienced machinists keep one hand near feed hold, one eye on coordinates, and move predictably. Why? Because control matters more than bravery. A beginner may move aggressively trying to look confident. A pro moves carefully but efficiently. There's a huge difference. The fastest operators aren't actually rushing. This shocks many new machinists. The fastest machinists often look calm. No panic. No dramatic movements. No confusion, because they already solved the process mentally before touching the machine. That calmness is a professional skill. And it comes from repetition, not talent. Here's the truth about 10-second 0. It's not really about speed. It's about eliminating hesitation. When your process is correct, your hand movements become automatic, your offsets become predictable, and your setup becomes smooth. That's what professionals train for. Not rushing. Precision with confidence. How you can practice this like a pro. Next time you set up a machine, use the same reference point. Follow the same sequence. Verify before cutting. Move slowly near the part. Watch coordinates constantly. Do this repeatedly. After enough setups, your brain starts recognizing patterns automatically. Then one day, someone new in the shop watches you and says, "How did you set 0 so fast?" That's when you know your workflow became professional. Final thought. Every expert machinist once struggled with offsets, crashes, and confusion. Nobody starts fast. The difference is, professionals kept repeating the fundamentals until speed became natural. So stop chasing shortcuts. Master the routine. Because in CNC machining, the smoothest setup is usually the fastest one. If you want more real shop floor CNC secrets explained simply, feeds and speeds, offsets, tool wear tricks, crash prevention, G-code mastery.